Hello everyone, how to check formula in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data, in total price column have a formula. So here I show you three different ways to check the formula. First, simply select the cell and press the F2 to check the formula. You can see selection also showing here. Okay, and the second way, simply select the cell and here in formula bar, you can see the formula. You can edit here and enter. Okay, and the third way, you just use the shortcut key Control plus backtick, and the backtick is located the left side of the one number in your keyboard. Okay, again, to hide the formula, press the Control plus backtick to hide all formulas. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.